In this video I'll just show you how to assemble the header pins for all of the stepper motors and limit switches. So I'm just going to strip these with about 5mm of wire. I'm not going to twist these ones. These little crimps, so crimping these little female header pins onto the wires is it's a little bit tricky, and I haven't got the right crimping tool here for doing that. There's a tiny little spot right in there that needs to be able to be crimped, fold over on itself, and this particular crimping tool doesn't do it particularly well. So I've been doing this in a slightly different way. I just fold the wire over, place it in up to this point right here. So it goes in this way. Give it a squish. Now it does mean that there's a little bit too much plastic sticking out of this spot here. Sometimes that doesn't matter, but in this case it does. So I just slice the excess off. Then that should clip into place. Let's have a look. So like that. Right, now we can put the shroud on the pins, and the order goes red, blue, green, black. So like this. And there's a little clip just here that clips into this little spot in here. Now if you've got wire and sheath, the wire sheath in this little gap, it won't clip properly, so it needs to be completely clear. So red, blue, green and black. Let's check that they're all fixed in place, which is great. And we've got to do the same for the X limit switch. Put one of these 2 pin headers and do that for both of these.